in day 2 of tackling Apex exercises. Yesterday we did the first 3 Apex exercises on apexsandbox.io. Let's do the next 3 today. I noticed that the text was little yesterday, so I made it as big as possible. Let's go. So here's the task. Given 3 integers a, b, and c, return 3 if they're in ascending order. For our purposes, 2 equal numbers will be considered to be in an ascending order. Okay. A ascending order. So from least to greatest, okay? Now this is easy then. If A is less than B, less than C, return true, return false. So if it's 15, 14 ascending, that means from least to greatest, okay? Less than or equal to, less than or equal to. All right, how does this look? If A is less than, if 10 is less than 10 or equal to 10, and 10 is less than or equal to 15, then it's ascending. Okay, let's check. What am I forgetting? If A is less than or equal to 5. Line 2. What's up with line 2? If A is less than or equal to B and B is less than or equal to C. What's the issue? If A is less than line 2. If A is less than B and B is less than or equal to C. Okay. I see the problem. And B. Alright, that's it. Okay, you guys saw my mistake, right? I didn't have this, so I just included this and fixed it. Okay, let's go to the next one. Given a work, prepare if the correct indefinite article a or an followed by space based on the following rule. Words starting with a vowel a, e, I, o, u are prepared with an n, while words starting with any letter prepared with a. If okay, string dot substring. I need to get the method for substring. I think it's, let me find the method. Apex string class. String substring. String class. Let's find the method. String methods. I need the substring. Substring. RS. Substring. Okay, let's look how it used. Example. S1.substring. Okay. So then it's word.substring 1. Okay. If equals, if the substring equals a, return n, else return a. Okay, so we need to list string. So we need to click what are the letters that will generate an N, actually N, right? For N it'll be A, E, I, O, U. So if the first letter is any of these, then we return N. So string for letter equals, let's just do this to make it easier. Okay, so here we're getting the first letter. If N dot contains, I think there is a, on the list class, let's find the list class, contains, it's like contains or includes, there is a method called list methods, contains right here. All right, so if this list contains that letter, then we return. So if N contains letter, then we return AN. Okay, so what we did is we just create a list of strings that for which we will use an AN, and then we create a string where we're getting the first letter of the word. We're using the substring method in the string class. And then so if our list of strings AN contains the letter, then we return AN. Otherwise we return A. Okay, let's run. All right. Unexpected. Some issue on line 1. Let's check line 1. What's the issue in line 1? Did I forget the brackets? Or here. I didn't. Semicolons. I forgot semicolon. Let's run. Unexpected. So what else did I forget? Return. I think we have to first declare. New list string AN equals, I think this is it. What's the issue? List string AN, new list. All right. What's the issue? Why is that running? Error on line 1, column 1, token public. What did I forget? Public, semicolon, 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 list string and word dot substring string and dot contains letter return. Okay, let's check. Let's remove this. Run. Okay, if I remove this. Okay, so the test ran. Let's do this. Oh, I know the issues. I forgot to put these as strings. Shame on me. Okay, let's run now. error on line 1, unexpected token public. Pum 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 pum. Okay. Okay, so see there is a test failed, so the code ran. So that means the issue is in this line. So something with the brackets. AN contains letter. Did I forget brackets? Return AN. Okay, the issue was I left semicolon here. I should not have left semicolon here. Okay, now it's running, but all the tests are failing. So let's check why. Okay, I see. Return N. I should add the word. Okay, so add this plus word. All right, now run. 5 tests passed, 5 failed, 5 passed. Okay, let's check why this one is failing. Okay, I like to put these below so I can check right away. So an apple should be an apple. Expected an apple, we got an, so we expected an apple, but we get a apple. So why we got a apple? Why we got, if it's apple, we get the first string. Bum 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 bum. String. Let's go back to the string class and let's check how to use a substring method. Substring rs substring 0 1. Okay, let's do that. Let's just use this one. 0 1 0 1. Okay, substring 0, 1. Okay. All right. So my mistakes here, guys. Let's sum up my mistakes so that you guys don't repeat them. Okay. So when I was adding these strings to the list, I forgot the quotation mark. Okay, I should have done that. The second mistake was when I was using the substring, I should have used the starting index and the ending index. Okay. And then the third mistake I had was that I had a semicolon here. Okay, now it works. All right, let's go to the next exercise and the last one for today. Given 3 integers, return the largest. Okay, this one seems very easy. Okay, if num1 is greater than num2 and num1 is greater than num3, return num1, right? Else if num1 is less than num2 and num2 is greater than num3, return num2. Okay. Else return num3. Okay. Did I get everything correct? Let's make our code look nice. So if number 1 is greater than number 2 and number 1 is greater than number 3, return number 1, the greatest one. If Number 1 is smaller than number 2, and number 2 is greater than number 3. Return number 2, otherwise return number 3. Okay, let's check. Okay. All right. All right, guys. Please make sure to go in and practice. Okay. You can see that I'm making silly mistakes on the way. So that's why it's good to practice, so that when I actually get into a coding interview, I avoid them and boom, solve these things in 1 minute. All right. That's it for today. Good to see you guys. Have a nice evening. Bye-bye.